Hey, hey, family, it's good to see you again. Please take this time to click subscribe and turn on your notifications. So, as you know, we were recently in Dollywood and had the chance to eat at Aunt Granny's. So, let us tell you about it. Okay, it is time to eat. We've ridden quite a few rides and we are at Aunt Granny's about to enjoy a home style meal. We'll tell you what we thought about it. Okay, they have these cheddar biscuits. See how they are? Very good.
They're no Red Lobster old school, but they are really good.
They're good. Okay, so we have chicken, pot roast, and catfish underneath here. And then for our sides, we opted for green beans, raised cabbage, mashed potatoes, and macaroni and cheese. Okay, first bites. Mashed potatoes are good, but we're waiting for the gravy to come out with it.
Mac and cheese are very creamy. Doesn't have a lot of the like grated cheese. It's more of a sauce. It's very good, very creamy. Pot roast is next level, tender.
Going in on the cabbage. You're welcome. Cabbage is cooked well. Seems like it needs a little salt on it.
Portions are good. They'll bring out an initial tray, and it'll look like, man, that's not gonna be enough. But once you get started, it's a lot, and they'll immediately bring out another tray of the items that you selected from the beginning. They'll bring it right out. So we're just waiting on the next batch because we got some hungry mouths over here.
All right, I got ketchup and hot sauce.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I am working on getting the gravy. There's two of them back there right now. And I asked them and they gave me mean looks. So I'm waiting.
Okay, thank you.
But I will bring it out as soon as they put it out for you.
Okay, thank you. And let's taste the green beans. Green beans are good.
Somebody's grandmother showed them how to make green beans.
Okay. Catfish is really good, and so is her tartar sauce.
I had to look in the back of the kitchen to see who was frying that chicken. And let me tell you, they got it to perfection. I had the breast, and it's one of the juiciest fried breasts I've had. Usually they're dry wherever you go, but whoever did this, they know what they're doing. Grannies definitely know what they're doing around here. The price is right, $27.99 plus tax.
All right, I went and got the gravy myself.
Awesome.
Like 2020.
Bananas.
No, he graduated in 2019. My brother graduated in 2019. You know who Tristan is?
Apple crisp.
You might know him.
Apple cobbler.
Apple cobbler. I don't know.
Tristan, he weird looking dude. He had glasses.
All right, folks, it's dessert time. We're indulging in some high quality desserts, even though I don't know where we're going to put it, but we're going to try to put it down.
And we're going to have to do a lot of walking.
So I'll start. Apple cobbler. Very good, very sweet. Not a lot of cobbler, more apples than actual like crust or cobbler. But it's still really good, really good.
And I have the banana pudding. Let's go in. Whoever is making this in the back, they know what they're doing. This is very good.
It's Granny's place, so it's definitely somebody's grandma's recipes back there. Because let me tell you, it's really like you're eating at home with your mother. They did a very good job with this, absolutely.
Yes, we definitely recommend if you make your way to Dollywood, eat at Aunt Granny's.